Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today Bangalore University students 5th semester bcom, they had principles and practice of auditing exam today. So the exam has got over. So I thought that I'll discuss the question paper with you people so that for other university students it will be helpful. So as usual it was for 60 marks only. The duration was 2.5 hours and most of the questions which I had told important that had come. So section is 6 questions you should have answered. Total they had given 8 questions. Who is an auditor? This question also I had told that it might come. And what is audit planning they had asked. So this is chapter 1. This is also chapter 1. What is internal check? This question also I had told that it will come. So it had come. Mentioned in 2 types of audit report. This question also I had given in the expected questions video. What is verification? Even this question also I had given in the expected question video. Next, what is embezzlement of cash is from first chapter. Who can appoint the company's auditor? Fourth chapter. Code of ethics, fifth chapter. So the question paper was very easy. So out of this 8 questions, 6 questions they should have answered. Next, section B, total 5 questions that given and 3 you should have answered. Objectives of auditing, I had expected, I had given this in my expected questions video. Audit strategy, this is from chapter number 1 itself. Qualities of a good auditor, this question also I had told in the expected questions list. Then objectives of valuation also I had told it might come. Then what are the contents of audit report? Even this question also I had given that it might come in the examination. Next, section C. Section C also 5 questions they had asked. So all were very easy questions. So first questions they had asked that the steps to be taken by the auditor before commencing a new audit. This question also I had told that it might come. Then internal check regard to wage payment I had told it might come. Then explain the duties and liabilities of a company's auditor. I think it is 4th chapter. Then fixed assets, current assets, intangible assets. I had told that it might come. And even I have done the videos on this. So you can go through the videos of that. And discuss the audit procedure of hotels. This question had come. So this was the English question. And for Kannada medium students, here the question is. This is section A questions. You can take the screenshot of this. And this is section B questions. You can take the screenshot of this. And these are section C questions. You can take the screenshot of this. Section C questions. So hope my videos were useful for you people. If my videos were useful, please put in the comment box that it was useful. And all the best for the upcoming examinations.